Pioneer Xumo TVs take a unique approach to apps and streaming services. Unlike traditional smart TVs, they come with a completely different system for managing your entertainment options. Pioneer Xumo TVs come with many popular streaming apps already pre-installed. You can see Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and many others ready to use right out of the box. These major streaming services, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, and Prime Video, are all pre-installed and ready to use immediately when you set up your Pioneer Xumo TV. Unlike traditional smart TVs that have app stores where you download apps, Pioneer Xumo TVs work differently. All apps are preloaded onto the system, so there's no app store to browse or download from. All apps on your Pioneer Xumo TV update automatically over the internet. This also means that new apps can be added to your TV or existing ones removed based on Xumo's partnerships with streaming services. Xumo Play is a standout feature. It's a completely free, ad-supported streaming service that offers over 350 live channels, plus a wide variety of on-demand content, all at no cost to you. The Xumo mobile app is currently available for iOS devices and turns your smartphone into a remote control for your Pioneer Xumo TV, making navigation even more convenient. Pioneer Xumo TVs include a voice remote that makes searching and navigation incredibly easy. The interface is designed to be content-forward, meaning it focuses on helping you find what you want to watch, rather than just organizing apps. You can personalize your Pioneer Xumo TV home screen by adding frequently used apps to the app row for quick access. This makes it easier to find and launch your favorite streaming services. To add an app to your home screen, follow these simple steps. First, launch the app you want to add from anywhere on your TV interface. Next, exit the app to return to the home screen. Then navigate to the top row where you'll see the app tile has appeared. Now press the menu button, which has 3 dots on your remote control. Then select Add to Apps row from the menu that appears. You can also rearrange apps in the app row to organize them according to your preferences. This helps you access your most used apps more quickly. To rearrange apps, navigate to the Apps row on your home screen and highlight the app you want to move. Press the menu button with 3 dots on your remote. Use the navigation pad on your remote to move the app left or right to your desired position. Press Enter to place the app in its new location. Keep in mind that you can have up to 24 apps in the app row. All apps on your Xumo TV update automatically over the internet, so you don't need to manually update individual apps. If you encounter issues with apps, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. Start with the simplest solutions first. For manual software updates, you can download updates from Xumo.com's USB update onto a USB drive. This is useful if automatic updates aren't working properly. This manual update method ensures your Pioneer Xumo TV has the latest software features and security improvements, even if automatic updates encounter issues.